The Eastwood Elite Contour DSB Dustless Sanding Block System is a vacuum-assisted sanding block system designed to reduce sanding dust while helping you block sand, body filler, and primer more evenly. It is built for automotive body work, especially filler sanding and panel prep, but it can also be used for home improvement projects like sanding drywall. The main benefit of this system is dust control. When used with a properly working shop vacuum, the Contour DSB collects over 95% of the filler sanding dust. That helps keep the shop cleaner, reduces dust in the work area, and helps limit how much dust gets into the air. The sanding block is also designed to help create a flat surface while still having enough flex to contour to automotive body panels. That matters because body panels are rarely perfectly flat, and a block that is too rigid or too soft can make it harder to get a clean, even surface. The system includes an 11-inch dustless sanding block, a 15-foot vacuum hose with a flow control valve and primary regulator, plus a 1.75-inch vacuum hose adapter. It is designed to work with standard 1.25-inch and 1.75-inch shop vacuum hoses. For best performance, the instructions recommend using a shop vacuum with at least 3 peak horsepower. The vacuum should also have a HEPA filter or HEPA bag to help reduce respiratory health risk from fine sanding dust. The DSB uses Eastwood Elite Contour DSB PSA sandpaper with grits available from 80 through 420. The paper needs to be aligned so the whole pattern matches the vacuum plate, which allows dust to be pulled through the sanding face. Airflow adjustment is an important part of the setup. The flow control valve and primary adapter regulator help balance dust collection with smooth sanding movement. If the block feels like it is sticking to the panel, airflow can be adjusted until it moves smoothly. If it is not collecting dust well, the regulator can be adjusted and the vacuum filter or bag should be checked. For body work, use guide coat and sand in a crisscross pattern at 45 degrees. Start with a proper grit and work up through the grits instead of skipping steps so sanding scratches are fully removed. If you want cleaner sanding, longer sandpaper life, and better control while blocking body panels, the Contour DSB gives you a practical dustless sanding setup for body filler, primer, and panel prep.